My name's Tim and this is my wife Kate. And these are our three daughters, Stella, Isla and little Maggie, who we call Magpie.
And she's gone.
We live in Ocean Grove. We've been here for a couple of years since we opened up the business, but we did originate from the Mornington Peninsula over in Mount Martha.
When we originally opened, my indoor plant jungle started as one shelf to store my indoors, and I've nearly taken over a whole shed. Just keeps growing.
And we've got plants that are going to suit any style of garden, any size of garden that you like. We've got a massive native plant sections like ground covers, medium and large shrubs and trees. So we've got lots of palms and shade-loving plants, big range of different seedlings. You know, pretty much a plant to fit any style of garden that you got, we should have it here.
I love it when people come in and tell me what a great job and how everything's looking fantastic.
You know, pretty much any area in your house, we can fill it with plants.